Hello and welcome to this tutorial about how to create an electronic gradebook, category and items in Canvas. The first thing you want to do is start on your dashboard and click on the Courses tab. Once you are on your course page, you will click on the Assignments tab to the left. You will then begin adding gradebook categories by clicking on the plus group in the upper right-hand corner. Give your group a name and click on the blue Save button. Click on the three-dot ellipsis on the right and choose Assignment Group Weight from the drop-down menu. Click on Weight Final Grade based on assignment group. Enter assignment group weights based on gradebook preference and click the blue Save button. Now you will click on the blue Plus Assignment button in the top right-hand corner. Give your assignment a name. Choose how grading will be distributed and displayed. Choose your submission type and how many attempts that your students are allowed. You may also complete any other options on the page to your liking. Add a due date and availability dates. Click on the blue Save button. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. I hope that it was a tremendous help to you. Have an amazing day.